Good morning. This is Mike Houston with your Saturday morning weather hazard briefing for southeast Idaho. Looking at the weather impact summary slide, we expect to see a low pressure system sweeping east across the region today and tonight. That'll produce showers and thunderstorms across southeast Idaho. Some of those should be strong. And then on Sunday, as that storm system exits off to the east, we expect dry and warmer conditions to set in, with a warming trend continuing through about midweek. Looking at satellite imagery this morning, we see the low pressure system here across Washington and Oregon. The models show that slipping east towards McCall this afternoon and then progressing rapidly into Montana and Wyoming by Sunday morning. Looking at our forecast graphics this morning, here we see the low pressure system positioned over Washington and Oregon at 6 a.m. this morning and then progressing east towards McCall this afternoon. Out ahead of this storm system, we do expect to see showers and thunderstorms progressing through southeast Idaho, and as a result we have a red flag warning out for scattered thunderstorms here where fuels are still dry from Stanley south through Sun Valley, Shoshone, and down in through Oakley. High temperatures today out ahead of that advancing trough. We expect to see highs running into the lower 70s here in the Snake River Plains, in the 60s in the Central Mountains, and mid-60s to lower 70s in the southeast highlands. We do expect some gusty winds, at least this afternoon, out across the INL, the Arco Desert here in the Central Mountains, out ahead of that advancing low-pressure system. And precipitation totals for today and tonight with that storm system, we see a fairly decent area of heavy showers up here across the southern portion of the southern panhandle, and then another fairly healthy precipitation cluster down here across the southeast highlands. As a result, we have a marginal outlook for strong thunderstorms across the southeast highlands today, where upper level dynamics will help to support some fairly decent storms there later this afternoon and evening. And also, due to the heavy precipitation amounts, we have a marginal outlook for excessive rainfall across the southeast highlands as well. Looking at our storm track again, we see the trough axis clearing the Wyoming border at 6 a.m. Sunday morning. We'll see rapid clearing from the west through the day on Sunday with temperatures warming. As well, we also expect to see some wind gusts trailing behind that storm system Sunday afternoon, generally in the 20 to 25 mile per hour range across the Snake River Plain. As we work into Sunday afternoon, we see the next low pressure system setting up across western Canada. This particular system will stay north of us and really begin to enhance the southwest flow across the region. And therefore, we do expect that we'll likely see some smoke from these fires here in Northern California drifting north into southern Idaho and lingering through at least the early portion of the week. High temperatures as we work through that warming trend, peaking here around Wednesday, expecting highs in the mid-80s here in the Snake River Plain and Eastern Magic Valley, and mid-70s to mid-80s in the Central Mountains and Southeast Highlands. Okay, to summarize, we have a low-pressure system sweeping through the region today and tonight. That'll produce showers and thunderstorms across southeast Idaho. Some of those will be strong and wet. Drier conditions will follow on Sunday, with a warming trend starting and continuing through the middle of the week. That's all I had for you here this morning. If you had any comments or questions, please give us a call at the number on the screen. Thank you.